Hey guys, it's Bella, and today for the video we're going to be making some slime out of these household items. So what you'll need, a little container, it could be like an old chewing gum, soap, foam burst and any shampoo. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I just need to prop you up here. First you're going to take your soap and you're going to have 5 squirts into the container. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want, you could also try to find something to stir it with, so you don't need to stir it with your hands. Then you'll need 1 squirt. You might need to use your hand for this. A foam burst, only a small bit, like this much, guys. And put it in there. And then take your shampoo. And squirt it in. This is a really old shampoo, so that can go in the bin after this video. So after you've done that, then you can just go crazy with adding everything and anything you want. You could add endless amounts of anything into it. So I'm going to put quite a bit of foam burst in mine. Be creative on this stage, because it will change colour. Alright guys, so then just leave it to set for a few minutes. Be right back. Okay guys, so now I've left it to set for a bit. I just need to go find something.
Don't leave me.
See Zara in the background. So for this I'm using an old pen that I don't use, and I'm just going to take off the lid to the slime that we made, if I can. Okay, so I just get the camera. It should look like this, or it could look different, but mine looks like that. So then you take the end of your pen or whatever and just mix up all the slime. Then it smells really good. Now it kind of looks like this. And you should mix it until you feel a thick consistency. If you've been mixing for quite a long time, you still can't feel a good thickness, just put down your pen in somewhere and add some more soap. So right now I'm just adding all the soap. Don't know if you can see, but I'm adding quite a lot of soap right now. And then mix it up again until you feel quite a thick bit. Then once it's quite thick, add 10 more squirts of soap, then you're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll just do one more for good luck. And take this for the last time of the day. Then your slime is complete. And just let it set for a bit if you want it to be the best it can be. And yeah, so comment down below if you want me to do any more videos like this. And I will be doing a vlog later today. So from now on again, peace.